In an ancient village, one man fights an unstoppable force, his own sneeze. But beware, a sacred law once declared that sneezing in public was forbidden, punishable by force. As the sneeze builds, his body trembles, sweat pours, and the eyes of the guards lock onto him. Then it happens. The sneeze erupts like thunder, shaking the streets, echoing like a forbidden spell. The guards charge, spears drawn, feet pounding, determined to capture the criminal of the sneeze. And so, his fate is sealed, jailed forever with nothing but tissues. Would you survive this law?